This is where we're staying right now. It's called Bahay Bakasyonan. It's such a nice place. It's very simple. It's very local and simple living. It's very nice. Beautiful. Just by the beach. There's a pool. And this is the entrance to where we're staying. We're in room 101 and I'm gonna walk you through and I'll let you see. Well, this is just like receiving area for the other rooms. Okay, there you go. I'll bring you to my room, to our room. Let's pass the hallway. Well, you could hang clothes here after going to the beach. And this is our place. It's room 101. Simple, very native, nice place. Come on, let's go in and see what's inside. 2 beds. Oh, that's Nanette. Hi, Nanette.
Hi! Okay lang siya i-open. Kami, no?
Okay. Now I have to show myself. And make... Hi! I'm here. Bar. It's white sand. We'll continue to our itinerary. There's Nanette. Hi, Nanette. And of course, I have to show myself. Like this. They're catching our food right now.
Bakit hindi marikapi, ma'am?
Ay, hindi maririkapi kasi video to eh. Halika, pakita mo na sa akin yung isda na yan.
Wawa naman.
Oh, maawa ka naman ngayon. Ay, this is the one. Hi, baby fish. Ay, baby fish. We're gonna eat you. Ay, bakit ba ganun ang kuha ko? Katibawasan Falls. This is the
unmanned monitoring.
Unmanned monitoring.
Blah blah.
Blah blah.
Blah, blah.
We're not supposed to stop, but we're catching our breath. And the view is so beautiful. Awesome.
Awesome. Good. Nice.
Ayan.
Parang kahapon, tinatanong lang namin. kung
Hi,
anong
Nanette. And this is our handsome guy,
Hello.
John.
handsomest guide.
And of course, Miss Nanette, you have to show me. That's why I have to say
She's our camera woman.
Maway ka ngayon. Hi, Nanette. You would hear the sound of the wind. We're on top of Mount Hibok-Hibok. It's foggy, it's cloudy. You can't see anything, but it's cold and windy. We made it! Hindi natin makikita? Oo nga.
Ito na tayo.
Hanggang bukas? Hanggang bukas na tayo dito? May tent ka bandala. We're going to the crater right now, but this is, you see, it has turned bright and clear. The sun has come out. It was foggy, rainy a while ago, but now it's really getting brighter. This is how we're gonna go. Trying to guide you on where we're going here. It's beautiful here, really nice. Conserve my battery. There, that is the crater of Mount Hibok-Hibok. It's more vivid, according to our guide. The clouds are setting in again. They're trying to cover it, but they gave us bright and clear day to take a glimpse of Mount Hibok-Hibok. Okay, here comes the clouds. You won't see the crater right now.
Here comes the clouds, so here comes the bride.
Here comes the clouds. Here comes the clouds. Si Jan kasi ang kulit eh.
Kulit ba? Kulit ba to?
Kulit! This one. This is the makulit boy. That's the makulit boy. That's the one.
Okay, click. Okay, tingnan ko.
It's
wala.
moving video.
Moving video.
Hindi ko mapasend sa'yo to. Beautiful. Siyempre, kailangan kasama na naman ako. Hi.
Hello.
Sumingit pa. Tsaka isang wala.
Ay, tika mo. 1, 2, 3.
We are delayed right now. It's not a picture, it's a video. Pal is delayed. We're gonna wait until what? 2:15? And 2:15 is like 2 hours. 2 hours. 1.5 hours from now. And we were here since 11 o'clock. This